Welcome to our lesson. I am Kesiki, your guitar companion, and our lesson is on the secret weapon known as CAPO. The secret weapon known as the CAPO. This tiny tool is a game changer. It changes the key without changing the chord. What do we mean? Changing the key without changing the chord. Subscribe for more. We change a key without changing the chord by, if you know the chord of C and you place your hand on C, which is your chord. Now, how do you change the key without changing the chord? Using the capo. You change the key without changing the chord by placing your finger on the chord like C, and you shift the position of that chord, but now you use the capo here. So it ceases to be C, although the chord position is C, but the key, because of the capo here, has shifted it from C to C sharp. So this was C without the capo, and the secret of capo now has moved the chord position to here and helped and now made the key C sharp. Now you can go further. This now is C sharp. From C sharp, you go to D and you have your capo here. So your capo has helped you to change your key without changing the chord position. We don't stop there. We can move it to, this was C, C sharp, D, D sharp. The position is still the chord of C, but now the key turns to the capo. It's now on our D. So this is what it means by using this secret weapon to change the key without changing the position of the chord. Simply, if this is your G, this is the chord position of G. If you shift this chord position a step further, it's no longer G. This is G. This is now G sharp. And thanks to your capo, is now G sharp. Now, we don't stop there. This is G sharp. You can also achieve A, the key of A, but you are still in the position of the chord of G. Thanks to your capo, it becomes now A. The key is A, but the chord position is G. This is what capo can do. And the capo is not for lazy people. The capo is for smart guitarists. So if you don't have a capo, please endeavor to get one. It might be the cheapest upgrade that you will ever make in your guitar, and you change your guitar story. Subscribe for more of our tips on how to upgrade on guitar. Until then, I remain your favorite guitar companion, Kesiki. Thank you and remain blessed.